Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world. It's my world. It's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to another video. Look, man, it's December 1st, right? So, I'm thinking I need to go back hard, get back on my grind, and drop a video every day. Especially because it's December, it's Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? People doing these Vlogmas thing, you know what I'm saying? It's trending on YouTube. So, I think that I'm going to participate in that, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, catch them algorithms, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I think I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas this year. Now, while I'm on the topic of that, let me tell y'all something. You know I've been thrown off by the weather change and all that, so I'm still trying to bring y'all content that's entertaining every day. But I'm going to just be 100% honest with y'all on this. I'm doing this Vlogmas. I'm going to drop a video every day, but every video might not be the most lit video. You know what I'm saying? It might be a mukbang here and there, you know what I'm saying? It might just be some random clips of me just walking, doing shit, you know what I'm saying? Shopping or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Just some random shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just go ahead and bang out this Vlogmas, get up in these algorithms, and bring y'all some content. Hopefully that's enjoyable, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to make everything I record as entertaining as possible for y'all. And you know, yeah. So that's what it is, man. I'm about to start on this Vlogmas and start vlogging every day for the month of December, you know what I'm saying, and bang out a video every day. So this is the first video, you know what I'm saying? So I want to talk to y'all more about my opinions on this Vlogmas thing, on Christmas, all that, you know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be in a separate video, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be in another video. So what we doing today, I'm pretty close to Best Buy. So like I said, when I bought this Durango, as you can see, the antenna is right there, you know what I'm saying? Now, when I bought the Durango, the person I bought it from told me that it was a remote start in here, and that's the antenna for it right there. So I'm pretty close to a Best Buy, so I'm gonna just go to Best Buy real quick and see if I can't get a key fob, you know what I'm saying, another remote key fob for the remote start, and see if this shit actually works, you know what I'm saying? Because that would be a major benefit with this being an older car, you know what I'm saying? I'll be able to let it start and run for a good 10 minutes before I get into it, let it warm up and everything like that. So that's what we on right now, man. We're gonna go to Best Buy, because we're right around the premises, you know what I'm saying? We're right around the premises. I'm at the mall right now, but I ain't even doing no shopping, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know what I'm saying, it's a I'm gonna just say that for another video when I talk to y'all about Christmas and all that shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to Best Buy right now, man, and see if I can get this key fob, if I can get this remote start key fob for this car, man. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we at Best Buy, you know what I'm saying? We are officially at Best Buy now. I just had a bright idea. Y'all don't know this because I haven't told y'all this, and I'm planning on making a video about this, but I've been working to rebuild my credit, and my credit is the best it's ever been. It's still not at the point I wanted to be. It's still not at the point I wanted to be at. But it's the best it's ever been for me. And I just had an idea, like, I'm gonna go in here and pay cash for something. Why not just apply for the credit card and see what happens? If y'all don't know how credit works, you know what I'm saying, applying for credit affects your credit. So if I get denied for this, it can have a negative impact on my credit. But I'm hoping that it don't. Got my fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure I should be okay, because my credit is pretty decent right now. It's pretty decent. So hopefully I don't get denied and I get approved, and we be able to get some more gear and equipment up out of here. Oh, excuse me. But that's what it is, man. Hopefully we do get approved for this card. We finna go in here and see. If I do get approved, it will make my credit go up and increase. So hopefully I do. That'll be helping me on my journey to get you know, better credit. So we're about to go in here right now and see what's up and see what's popping. But yeah, I'm gonna do a whole nother separate video on credit and what my credit was looking like, how I fixed it, and how I'm continuing to build it and shit. So that's gonna be a whole nother video. But man, we about to go in here. Let me take one more sip of this coffee real quick. I mean, it's hot chocolate. On this journey, let's go on this journey and see if we get approved for this credit card. Got my keys. Keys like the door. Out the door. You know what I'm saying? Be your best buy now. Like I said, man, we about to go in here and apply for this credit card, see what happens, see if we get approved with it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what happens. How you doing? I actually wanted to apply for the credit card.
Oh, you want to apply for a credit card?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's a little bit of a long wait right now. You actually want to head up to customer service. Her name's Danielle. She has a pink mask on right there, you see it?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, she'll help you apply for one, okay?
Okay, thanks. I did not get approved, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, I didn't get approved, so it is what it is. That just means we got more building to do, you know? Let's go over here to see if they got what we need so we can get the fuck up out of here now.
What kind of vehicle is that?
It is a 2001 Durango.
Don't think I'd carry that exact one, unfortunately. Looks like I'm only can for a Tahoe, a Suburban, or a universal one for a Volkswagen or an Audi.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
All right, thanks. This whole day was a fail, man. Alright, y'all, so let's get the fuck out of here, man. This whole day was a fail. This whole attempt was a fail. So, damn. That just happened in life sometimes, man. Even though shit might not work out, you still got to take the risk. Oh. Yep, man. Leaving Best Buy. Right now, shit. That whole attempt was a fucking fail. Fail. Fuck. Damn it, man. Damn it. I'm so mad about that goddamn credit card, bro. So nah, fuck it. Now I ain't getting approved. Shit, let me go ahead and talk to y'all then. Fuck it. Let me make sure this bitch still recording. Yeah, this bitch still recording. Make sure we get enough footage to make a video today. I'm so fucking. Can y'all even see me, bro? I think y'all can see me. Man, I'm so fucking mad, bro. I'm so fucking mad, bro. I didn't get approved for the credit card, man. I was gonna go crazy. I was gonna get a whole bunch of new equipment. But it's cool, man. I'm still gonna get the equipment. I'm still gonna build my credit and get it better. I thought I was at that point where I could start making those, you know what I'm saying, making them moves, but I don't even know if I want to tell y'all my credit score in this video. Fuck it, I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. So I just got my credit up to like 670. You know what I'm saying? So I got a cool 670, which is considered fair credit. Like, that's not considered necessarily good credit. So yeah, if you're trying to do some shit on credit, you probably just go ahead and wait until you hit that 700 and you be in a good, and you consider good credit category. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and wait. That's what I should have did. Now this shit probably gonna fuck my credit up a little bit more because I just applied for some credit and got denied. This real life shit, man. Fuck, I'm so mad about that shit. I shouldn't even did it. But man, that's what life about. You gotta take chances sometimes. Sometimes you take a loss, shit, you gotta just bounce back. That's my whole life, shit. I'll take losses and bounce right back. So this shit ain't stopping shit. Yeah, I'm a little bit upset right now because I was really hoping to get improved with that shit. I was really planning on getting some shit for the videos. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool. I do got another credit card, so I just gotta keep working on my shit and keep doing different little things to build my credit up. I know what to do, but from where I came from to where I'm at right now, I think I just got a little bit too excited. You know what I'm saying? A nigga like me, I come from the hood. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never had credit before. Like, I had credit, but I ain't never had no good, decent type credit before. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't never even been in the 600 area. So to be at a 670, I'm thinking like, shit, cool. I'm about to give me, you know what I'm saying? About to give me a cool Best Buy credit card. They're like, nope, nigga. You try again. Shit. But it's cool, though. I'm gonna get this credit up. I'm gonna get this credit up. And then, niggas, I don't want to feel that shit no more. That's like the worst feeling. And I really feel like that shit is discrimination. And it is. Like, so once I get my credit good and A1, nobody can deny me from shit. And that shit gonna feel so good, man. And I can't wait till that moment. But I'm gonna do a separate video on how I got my credit to where it's at right now and the steps I'm taking to make my credit even better. So if y'all got questions and y'all trying to rebuild your credit and repair your credit, y'all could probably make some of the same moves I did to bring my shit up to where it's at right now. And, you know, hopefully in the future, a couple months, early next year, hopefully we get in that 700 area and keep going with the shit, man. But just like that, man, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Vlogmas Day 1. Stay tuned. We got more shit coming, more videos coming. And yeah, man, that's it. And that's the end of the video right there.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.